Oh my. Hi guys, so this is a small video tutorial on our new plugin which is name is Request a Code Pro. So we have added so many features in this one. We have looked on, we have searched through all the plugins that are already available on WordPress, and we have checked that which are the requirements that are missing from these already built plugins, and we have added those functionalities in these plugins too. So let's start with the request a code main menu. If we you After the installation of the plugin, you will see that there is an option, there is a sub menu in the WooCommerce menu which name is request a code pro. So the first tab is general setting, which where we have given some pre-built templates. Like if you see here, there are some templates for your quotation for billing and shipping on checkout page. On checkout page, if you want your checkout to look according to your theme, so you can choose a template from here. And also you can also request us for a custom template and we can add it here. So moving on to the next setting, which is request a code button position. We have given these two hooks on the front side. So if you change them, that on the front side you will see that the request a code button position change from it can be shown on the cart quantity, before cart quantity, or after the add to cart button. And then there is an option for request a code page type. So this was a requested feature, as some people, they do want to use their own page for the for request a code page. So we have given this option that on the installation of plugin, this page can be created itself, or you can choose your own page to use it as a request a code page. Then you can also give the page id here, and it will automatically use that page id for the request a code page. Then there is an option for show request a code button on cart page. If you want to enable this button, enable this feature on the cart page, you can always do that. Like if I show you here on the cart page, you see that there is a add a code option here, because it is enabled right now. So moving on to the next feature, which is show check boxes with a code button. This is for multi-select option. Like if a person want to add multiple products in the cart, he can always choose from here. Like he can choose four products, 4 out of 5, 2 out of 5, and then click on the add to cart, add product to cart whole products, and this will add all these carts, all these products in the cart. So the next is the simple text button, but that what you want to show the text to be. You can add any text here and it will show up as that. Then the place code button text, there is on the shop page and on the other pages, that there is a button for place code in the final button, which will on that click there's products added to the code. So you can change the text of that. And then these are some custom messages for which you can of course change them accordingly, according to your site. This is a placeholder that you can use for where this product name should be shown. And then there's a code message and code submitted message. These are some redirection setting that after the code thing what should happen. So you can always choose these according to your site. Moving on to the next tab, which is code table setting. This one is for like what do you want to show in the code table. So show product categories, show product short description, description total words, how many words they should be. So like if I click on this code table, you will see those settings applied here. As you can see, product category, description, price, stock status section. You can enable disable these columns accordingly. So these are all the options for that purpose. And then moving on to the next setting, which is card attribute. So on the card page, you can so on the card page you can see that what do you want to show there, like hide card subtotal, hide card text, and hide card subtotal. By default, these are visible, and you can always hide them using these options. Then there's an option for the PDF that which is generating for the code. So you can add a company logo here, Then the billing logo, shipping logo, and mini cart logo. All these logos will be used on the front side. And moving on to that PDF CSV option. So these are some of the templates which we have given for the PDF. So these are the two templates here. There are two templates here, and of course, just like for the billing and shipping page, you can request these custom templates according to your needs to us, and we can add those templates for you. And then this is the option for enable and disable for the PDF and CSV. You can add company name here and it will show up on your PDF. The term and condition, then this is for the term and conditions pages. Like you can on the PDF you can all add these term and condition customs. Layout background color, text background color. These are some minor glitches that you can use to modify your PDF. Then what are the columns that you want to show up on PDF and CSV? These are built in, and you can remove and add these options. Moving on to the next setting, that which is for which is for email setting. So these are all the email messages which are by default sent from WooCommerce, and then we have made these for quote. You can customize your email templates from here. Completed, processing, cancelled, and all that which by default WooCommerce does include, and we have included for the quote emails. Moving on to the next tab, which is for all short codes. So these are all the short codes which you could use, and we have given the description for each short code that what will appear on the front page. So moving on to the next one, which is submitted code. So here you will see all the codes which users have requested here, and of course you will also get emails from for these codes too. And if you want to notify any user, you can just click on this instant notify button, which will send an email to the user confirming your option. So now if I click on this edit button for the code which a user has requested, you will see that it has the user has requested the card total, what are the card totals which user have requested, and all the things here. So these are some custom options which we have given here. Like clicking on this, you can just create an order on this from this code, and there's instant notify, generate PDF, and generate CSV button. So if I click on this generate PDF, you will see that a PDF will be generated. And if I click on this generate CSV, you will see that a CSV has been downloaded for this code. Moving on to the next option. So if I go back to the all the code fields, you will so you can see that there in this main table we have also given the option for generate PDF and CSV. And if you want to create a whole list of all the codes, CSV or PDF, you can select multiple. You can choose of your own choice, and then just click on this generate PDF and apply this, and or generate CSV. It will create a like if I click on this generate PDF and apply it, you will see that it will download a PDF with all the codes in it. So moving on to the next option, which is code rule. So this code rules section is for to create rules for the customers. Like if you want to create rule for some specific products, that I want only these products to be added to code, and user can request code. Well, of course your store maybe have some products that which for which you can for which a customer can request for the code, or otherwise they can just add to cart and check out from it. So these are some rules for it, like for which products this rule should apply. That code field should appear, and this categories, tags, countries, like customer roles, you can all choose from here. And then there's some setting for that code rule, like hide add to cart button, or show button out of stock product, request a code button text, and some customization for that button. So you can also hide the price for from these options, like hide from shop and product page, hide from code page, hide from everywhere. So you can use these rules to make a code according to your need. So the last option is for the request a code pro fields. what are the fields that you want to be shown on the checkout page. Like we have created some first name, last name, company. You can create a custom field too. Like if I click on this add new field, you will see that there is option to create a field with of any type. Like there's an option for field type, date, time, file upload, select, multi select, all any field at which HTML do support, we have given here. You can add the field label, you can add the field placeholder. You can also add some additional classes, so you can customize that field on the front side. So and then there is option for where this field should appear in the billing field or in the shipping field, or the field show in both private or company. So now if I go to the front side, this is a code table, a shortcode which you can always place on any page, or the page which it generated itself on the installation of the plugin. Or you can always give a custom id for which this table should appear. So as you can see, this is the code table and it is showing all the entries from a customer. Now if I click on this add to code, this will add this product to the code, and it will show the message that which we have set from the backend, which I have just shown you. And if you want to add multiple, you can always check those check boxes and then press on. So after selecting these products from the check boxes, using the check boxes, you can click on this button and it will add all those to the. Like if I click using these two buttons, it will add. Both have been added to the cart. So moving on to the cart page, you can see that on the cart page we have this similar option which we have enabled from the backend, that add to cart code button should appear on the cart page as well. So this have the similar functionality. Like if I click on the single one, it will add to code this product, or if I choose multiple, it will add all these to the code page. So moving on to the shop page, you will see that on the shop page how this functionality is going to work. So if I click on this add to cart, it will add this item to the cart. And if I choose multiple and click on this button, it will add multiple items to the cart. So now moving on to the my account page, you will see that we have also given options there to download the CSV and download the PDF thing. There's a custom tab named as the request a code detail page. If you click on it, a customer will be able to download a PDF or download a CSV using our code page. So this is if I click on this view button, you can see that we have also given the option for download PDF and download CSV in here. So guys, this is all for the request a code video. If you have anything else you want to ask a pre-sale inquiry questions, you can always reach us at Cloud Technologies, and we are available almost 24/7.